Hey everybody, That's a Lot of Sodium, and I'm back here with another video. Today is the first part of what I hope to be a weekly series in which I showcase some of my coins which are a little bit more unique, things that people don't see as often. Not necessarily incredibly valuable coins. None of these coins will cost you more than $40. I don't think any of them are even close to that, but they're things which are a little bit more unique and tougher to find. So even though they are not incredibly expensive, they are pretty tough to find and they're less known about. Hopefully these things are new to you guys and there's some stuff that you have not seen before. So first off, this was made at the 2019 ANA Summit Seminar. If you don't know what the ANA is, I recommend everyone who's a coin collector becomes part of it. It is the American Numismatic Association. So what this is a silver bracteate modeled after ones which are made in the early Middle Ages from like the 12th century to 15th. So they're made by Germanic tribes. And this one reads ANA and then in Roman numerals 2019. And up there you can see it says Summer Seminar. And the thing that's really cool about these are they are one-sided. So there you can see that is where it was struck on the back, and it left a design here. And they're also incredibly thin. They are silver. This one is 0.99 fine silver, but they were probably not that fine when the original ones were made. There are very few ones left of the original Germanic tribes ones, only because if you look at how thin that is thinner than even a 1.5 shilling from Great Britain. Next, we have, continuing on the theme of the ANA, I have this metal, which is, it's a coin, but it is, has the orientation of a metal, where both sides have the same orientation, and it is a commemorative coin which was made to commemorate the 25th anniversary of the moon landing. There's the ANA crest, and it says a salute to coin collecting, 25th anniversary of the lunar landing. And it does have edge lettering, which I like the edge lettering because, I don't know, it's something unique that you don't see a lot in American coins, so it's interesting to see. They made several different versions of this coins. They made a platinum version with a very, very small mintage, which was about the size of a nickel, actually probably smaller, and it was the same design but very, very small. And then you also had a silver proof variety. This is proof-like, but it is not proof. You had a proof version which had a cameo effect on it, on all of them. And then you had this. This was the nickel, copper nickel variety, and it had a mintage of 10,000. So none of them had a very large mintage, but they are a fairly interesting piece. 5 crowns, Turk and Caicos. And then third, this is a 1 peso from the Bank of Cuba. And there you can see the crest with the star. Those are fairly popular. And you can actually find 1 peso silver coins as well. And this, fairly high serial number. And what's cool about these is not only the fact that like their color and their design is really nice. This is not a very good example, but really pretty. You can see the coat of arms on both sides, and just a really cool color that you don't see a lot on modern American banknotes. And also, it is a silver certificate made by the American Banknote Company. And the American Banknote Company still makes prints and stuff, which is fairly interesting. You can find some modern prints. I own a few, actually, from the 1980s, and the thing that's cool about this is it's a silver certificate, like I said. And it reads something very similar here, and then also on the bank, as you would read on an American silver certificate, saying that if you go to the Treasury, the amount is payable to the bearer upon demand, which is what it says on an American banknote. So, fairly interesting. Although it does have pen, ink, and stuff on it, it is just a really interesting example. So, I wanted to show that. If you do look through the, you can see that there is marks on it, these dots, which should not be visible all over, but that's one counterfeit measure which was used on older currency. So I find that fairly interesting. And yeah, that's really it. So if you guys like this series, make sure to like the video and comment so I know that you guys would like to see more of this, because I do have some plans for more videos in the future, but I also would like to start doing more of this, where I showcase things that are not necessarily just new, but some more interesting things rather than just like new things, because a lot of the new things I get aren't particularly interesting. If I find a new wheat cent, I find one every week, or multiple every week if I'm going through coins. They're cool, yes, but you might not want to see a video on that. So I wanted to kind of do some more interesting content, some stuff that is more unique, some stuff that you guys probably haven't seen before. And I hope you guys have a great day, and as always, like and subscribe.